When I first started using Twitter in 2011, I was looking at what other people were doing and how many followers they had, and there's a little bit of jealousy kicks in. This is the very early days of using social media. I remember when I first started using Facebook in 2009, I wasn't so much into building up how many people I was connected with, but some people were like, how many friends you got, and how many family members you got. The same kind of was a little bit with YouTube, and I'm being brutally honest here. When I first started, you were looking at how many views you were getting, how long were people watching, how many subs were you getting. It wasn't very long after that. I mean, when I say long, it was about 3 months later. I started to distance myself from looking at the stats too much. I lie. God, I'm lying a lot here at the moment. I do look at the stats. I do care to make sure that we're still getting viewers and, people are watching and liking. That does matter. However, what I stopped doing was comparing to other YouTubers. Same with Twitter. Long time ago, I stopped looking at how many followers people have. I stopped competing because I care more about my output and what I do. So if I put out a video out there and I only get 500 views in the first 24 hours, I care more about the fact that were people okay with it? Were the comments good? And if the video then gets higher number of views over time, that's reality. That's what happens. If a video gets 2,000 views, even better. But you can't always predict what's going to do well or not. And what you shouldn't do is look at other YouTubers, other Twitter people, other people posting whatever, even blogs. Do you know how many times people post something and they go, I've just released a product and I've already had 100 sales. Great. They may have had a marketing strategy. You don't fully know what other outlets they've advertised on or how much investment's gone in. So what you shouldn't do is go, well, I only had one sale and I released a new course, or I released a new product, or I released a new video. How come they've got so much more? Because if you keep competing or comparing yourself, you will lose sight of what is the basis or what was the reason why you're doing what you're doing, okay? Because you will then just care about the numbers. And until you hit a baseline number that is comparable to what someone else is doing, you're never going to be content. And that is a nasty position to be in. I want to know that every video I produce or put out there, I'm proud of, I'm happy of. I don't want to get to a point where right before it goes live, I'm having second thoughts. Maybe I put out a tweet or a post. Oh, did I do the right carousel? Did I use the right image? Oh, could I have worded it differently? What about the hashtag? Yes, research. Look at what other people are doing. But don't start going, well, that TikTok user gets tons more views than me. You don't fully know their marketing strategy. And maybe if they've got other people supporting them, have they bought adverts or anything like that? Care more about what you do and do it really well. And if you are proud of what you produce, who gives a shit about what anyone else is doing? I lie again, you do give a shit, but you don't completely give a shit, right? Stay calm, stay happy. I'm Imran Web Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share and follow. I'll keep seeing you